Welcome to Sesanda Family Business. Once again, they go stop. Let's talk about goats. This session today about goats, we're gonna talk about the vet doctors. Abasawo baby soro zikamijari ndewano abajanja b'embuzi abasawo b'embuzi zeman abasawo b'enkoko zemani abasawo b'endiga bemani the vet doctor akwata n'afumita ebuzi episutser omuntu akimuwulira embuzi n'agamba nti ewadde ki omuntu ono the vet doctor the veterinary doctors omuntu atunuulira ekisolo ekitoogera n'akitunuulira abeera obuzanagamba ogw'omusujja. And if you could imagine, some people can look at the small goats, look at those young ones, and he or she can tell you, that's the road here. Birds as which are standing up on her, but that's not right, that's fever. A goat, Goshada that have to stand up. Who finds the difference between that? That expertise, that person who has that wisdom, that knowledge, the person who gave time to study how to take care of others. They step up, taking care of others. Not human beings, but you choose the lowest part in life, then take care of animals, God's creatures. That's really amazing. Let's give a moment of silence and respect the vet doctors, the people who treat the animals we feed on, the people who would treat the animals we get money from, the people who treat the creatures which make us happy when we look at it. They are those ones who have bush at their pets. The people who treat them so as a find cure, propose a treatment, prescribe what? Wow, that's amazing. That speed, that's strong. We should say thank you, my vet doctors. All of you are part through my farm. Those ones I have and those ones I don't have. Thank you. I'm really grateful. Thank you. But at Sesanda Mix Farm, we only speak about challenges. I'm gonna speak about challenges with the vet doctors. The challenges with the vet doctors. These are the challenges we face. 1. They don't stay for long. 2. Having them in your area. 3. They are scarce. 4. Those who know what to do. We have many vet doctors. You go to my village in Nakasongola, my district Nakasongola, the village is called Nakaseta. Everybody's a vet. You may find many of them are breed doctors, but who is a vet doctor? That one lacks qualification. Many call themselves vet doctors. Banji beat about waiting doctor, but John everybody soon. Ya yigira wakaku fam ya mamawe, ya rekumu koziku fam nara ubazikuba. Ya laba bubazi fumita, mani inti webe kampana bazi watching. Sijaba wakanyaba man. Badman yabam. Okay. Na ye. Orive doku miskinga sete dokum kuwakyu, gawan waya sumanga ilevin na binakindaina, yupuwen faxing de asomai na nehandron yet na nekosomel. O yagarap dinainga vidok to each as namwint, or wariata man, or what is wala isi. No, at Sesanda Mix Farm, no. We deal with quality rates. Quality veterinary doctors. Phone and looks to proof. Bazin Sibanguak Funa, the him knows it. So Jamu business you got to get us. Ababaku Garmanti, Embuzi, bazijjanja baffe tetuzijanjaba tuteziwa bikoola twezaffe tukola bitya. Ekyo kikyamu nakyogerako mu vidiyo yaffe ziri eri checkmating goats okujja ddema mu mbuzi the read following kiki twayogera bw'oyaba alina ebuuza eyo over that mindset. That mindset is wrong. That mindset is not there. That mindset is a mindset of lameness, dizziness. I don't know how to call it, but I even don't want to think about it because it's the mindset killing our generations, our future focus for our kids. Because when we transfer that mindset to them, what are we projecting in our future generations? What are our kids inheriting? We have to show this to all our kids. Let's go back to cervix. You need to get a good vet. You need to have one or two. You need to have an emergency vet. If you want to know more about vet doctor challenges, go to our YouTube channel. Sesanga Family Business. We happy to pick up our vet. We're gonna make a lot of episodes about vets. This is the vet doctor part 1. We're gonna make a lot sound because when you're talking about vets, it shouldn't be broad, it shouldn't be big. But right now, let's major into one. You gotta have a vet doctor on farm, an emergency one, but you gotta also write it down. The frequency of when he visits your farm, the times, the number of times he comes to your farm. You gotta know that. Write them down. Document it. These vet doctors have to document. Write an agreement with them. They are human beings. They are the most sticky people. They have like 10 farms working on. Buying a farm mans. But then the ajewo bagala kwesa wabi. Ada kozira bilere mu banga. Atungulira kimula bwa daga ziri oke. Neda. As a Salamix farm, we are hands-on. We are there to also watch out. They do that even though we're not there. Our 24 camera surveillance is there to see. Okay, we have somebody to monitor the cameras 24/7. Okay, the vet came, he checked this. How long did he take to be in the farm? What time did he give what time did he give our goats and our sheep and our animals? He has to come on the farm for 4 hours, 6 hours for a day full straight. He has to come 2 times in a week. We gotta have an emergency vet in case you see. In case of the problem, this vet doctors use Buddha Buddhas to move. One of the experiences I booked in farming and goat farm was goat farming. They've got too much accidents when they rush you to go to different farms because they like 6 farms because of not less income. I don't judge them. To survive, it's the same thing we do in America. We get 1 job, 2nd job, and 3rd job. Some other people do 3 jobs to make a cost of living. It is okay. It's working. But let the vet doctor give me enough time. Because when you have a good vet doctor, you're gonna deal with good-looking animals, like how you see that paddock. We have so many different paddocks like that. And those are our mothers. Like how you're seeing those paddocks, or how you have been watching those videos, our animals look good. You're gonna expect good meat. You're gonna expect obachomo roots. You're gonna expect good meat mochomo. Well-fed goats, chitin goats which are well-fed on organic feeds. Then, what do you expect their meat is gonna be? The meat is gonna be delicious, soft, nice, good. Then you're gonna be healthy, eating healthy. You're gonna give your kids healthy feeds. They're gonna grow healthy. They're gonna have healthy minds by eating healthy. Let's start from the ground zero to build the health for our kids and our generation. Thank you for listening to Sesanga Expand, Sesanga Family Business. We're here to provide you with the facts, the truth, the hands-on. Thank you. Book with us. Book almost more. Your bookings at our offices at Mango. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.